Welcome to Math Lab. Today, you're on your journey to discover tally and pictographs. A tally is a physical record of an amount usually applied to a system which records the amount as it is being counted. Suppose we want to represent the number of goals scored by 4 football teams while they are playing matches in a year. How do we get about it in a pictorial and easy to read manner? Right here we have 4 teams: Super Kings, Daredevils, Riders and Strikers. Every goal scored by any team is recorded with a line as shown. So if I draw one line, it means Super Kings has scored 1 goal. Suppose Super Kings scores 2 goals. Then I draw 2 lines. Suppose Daredevil scores 4 goals. Then I draw 4 lines to represent this data. Suppose Rider scores 5 goals. It is recorded by 5 lines. So right here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. However, the 5th line is drawn across all the 4 lines. So this represents 5. This makes the amount to count easy. Let us now consider the following situation. So, by observing the tally marks, can you find the number of goals each team scores? Yes, indeed. Super Kings scores 5 plus 4, 9. Daredevils 10 plus 2, 12. Riders 15 plus 1, 16. Strikers 5 into 4, that is 20. Is there a way we can represent the same data pictorially? A pictograph is a frequency diagram using a symbol to represent a quantity of items. The symbol usually relates to the data being shown. Suppose we consider a symbol of a football to represent our data. Let us say 1 football is equal to 4 goals. Can you now represent the number of goals scored by each team as a pictograph? In order to represent 9 goals, I consider 2 footballs to represent 8. Then I cut 1 football into 4 parts. Remember, each 1/4 represents 1. Today, you're provided with a lab observation sheet, a strip of glasses, a strip of squares, and a dice. Throw your dice 20 times and note the outcomes using tally marks. Now, using the picture 1 square is equal to 4, make your own pictograph. In the second case, you are given the data of the number of lemonades sold. Read your tally marks to note the number of lemonades sold from Monday to Friday. Now, using a picture of a glass to represent a number of lemonades sold, make your own pictograph. Have fun discovering pictographs.